Hello, we are talking about the reports that you want to send to your tax accountant at year end so that they can prepare your tax returns. So before you send any of these reports, make sure you've added all your transactions, reconciled all your accounts, and reviewed the reports. But once you've done that, it's really easy to pull these reports out of QuickBooks. Let's go through the standard reports that tax accountants will typically request, and they will always want a profit and loss. So at this point, it might be January or February when you're running this report. So we can just pull the report for last year. And then I like to give it the data by month. And you can choose your accounting method and run the report. So this is a sample account. We don't see any data in here, but you would have data for your company. And once you see it, go ahead and review it. And then very easy, just this little drop down here with the arrow. You can export to either Excel or PDF. I usually just do both and send both over. It depends on your tax accountant, what format they like. So that's the profit and loss. They will also, we'll go back to reports here, standard. Also want to see a balance sheet. Same exact thing. We can run it for last year, by month. Choose your accounting method, run report, choose the drop down, and then export to Excel or PDF. There are also two other reports tax accountants typically want to see, sometimes just one or the other, but you can always pull both just in case. So we'll go to reports, go down to For My Accountant, which is very convenient, and we'll click on General Ledger. That's one that is very common for tax accountants to request. We'll again do this for last year. Choose our accounting method and run report. And then again, you can download to Excel or PDF. And the last report, same section, we'll go down to For My Accountant, and that is a trial balance. So if we scroll up, we can again run it for last year. This one I just do in total. That's usually fine. Choose your accounting method and run report. So again, sample account, we won't see the data, but you can easily export to Excel or PDF. So those are the reports typically a tax accountant will want to see. They may have some additional requests, which is fine. What you can also do is grant your tax accountant access to your QuickBooks Online account. And you can do that by going to the gear icon, over to Manage Users, click on Accounting Firms, and you'll just enter their email, and then it'll send your account to their dashboard. That is sort of the preferred method in my opinion, because then they can pull whatever reports they need. They can also look through some of the data and answer questions that they have, so then they don't have to bug you. So totally up to you what you're comfortable with and what your tax accountant's process is, but now you have the information to either run the reports they need or give them access in QuickBooks.